Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use retouch for body on the CapCut application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. You just open a project, and if you want to use the body retouch, just go to the lower bar, tap to the edit button at the lower left corner, and you can find the retouch option next to the adjust, and you can find the second option, the body. Actually, you can set your head, your neck, arms, slim waist, legs, chest, hips, smooth and brighten of your skin. And if you finish, click the OK button at the lower right corner of the screen, and that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.